Today we are gonna discuss important questions from anatomy, which is frequently asked questions in various competitive exams like USMLE, FMGE, NEET PG, AIMS PG, etc. Welcome back to the Motivation Medicos. My name is Prince Tiwari. If you are new at our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So our first question is, foot drop occurs in a case of. So the answer is injury to the common peroneal nerve. About the common peroneal nerve, as you know, it is the smaller and the terminal branch of sciatic nerve. Now let's take the another question, that is an opening in the bone through which blood vessels, nerves and the ligaments pass is called. So the answer is foramen. Now let's take the another question, that is which is the longest muscle of the body. So the answer is sartorius muscle, or we can say that the sartorius muscle is found in the anterior region of thigh. Now let's take the another question. It's about the azygous vein transports blood from the posterior walls of the thorax and the abdomen into the. So answer is superior vena cava. Now let's take the another question, that is largest lymphatic vessel. So which is the largest lymphatic vessel? So the answer is thoracic duct. About the thoracic duct, as you know that it is also known as a Van Horn's canal. Now let's take the another question, that is inferior angle of scapula is at the level of. I'm just repeating the question again, that is inferior angle of scapula is at the level of. So the answer is spinous process of the T7 vertebra. I'm just telling again, that is spinous process of the T7 vertebra. Now let's take the another question, that is first bone to start ossify is. So the answer is clavicle. Maybe you have started studying anatomy, so in the very first you have studied the upper limb and also the bones of the upper limb. So also you have studied over there the clavicle bone as well. And this clavicle bone is also known as the collarbone. Now let's take the another question, that is nerve of Bell also known as. I'm just telling again, that is nerve of Bell also known as. So the answer is nerve to serratus anterior. About the serratus anterior, as you know, it's a branch of brachial plexus. So if you want to learn the brachial plexus in a very easy way with the help of mnemonic and the interesting story, so we also have made the video on brachial plexus. So you can check the I button over there, you can find it. Now let's take the another question, that is total muscles in our body. So the answer is 639, or we can say the 639. Now let's take the another question, that is which is the largest artery in our body. So the largest artery, it's aorta. About the aorta, as you know, it's a main artery that carries blood away from our heart to the rest of our body. Now let's take the another question, what is sesamoid bones? So the answer is the sesamoid bones are the small rounded masses of bone, or we can say it is a bone embedded within a tendon or a muscle. I'm just giving you the example of sesamoid bone, that is patella, or we can say the kneecap. So the kneecap is the largest sesamoid bone in our body. Now let's take the another question, that is what is called as a peripheral heart or second heart in human body. So the answer is calf muscles, or we can say the soleus muscle as well. So it is this muscle, so it is composed of two muscles, that is soleus. The first muscle is soleus and the gastrocnemius as well. Now let's take the another question, so which is the longest vein in human body? So the answer is long saphenous vein. Now let's take the another question, that is about deltoid muscle is supplied by a nerve. The question is deltoid muscle is supplied by a nerve. So the answer is axillary, or we can say the circumflex nerve. Now let's take the question, another question, that is about paralysis of serratus anterior muscle produce. I'm repeating once again, that paralysis of serratus anterior muscle produce. So the answer is pinching of scapula. So it is all about the important question from anatomy. If you want important question from any particular topic, so please let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see in the next video. As always, thanks for watching.